Hey everybody, welcome to Nil English, where we teach various words and phrases and idioms to help you improve your English speaking skills. Now, if you haven't already, please hit the like button and the notification bell and the subscribe button so you can be notified for various videos just like this one. And also, understanding idioms are just words and phrases that sound like one thing but really mean another. So when you hear a word and phrase, it might be a little confusing. So learning these are very critical and increasing your English speaking skills. So today we want to learn about a phrase that's used fairly often by fluent English speakers, which is second wind. I got my second wind. What's a second wind? The second wind means when you're doing something, that's your first wind, and then you get tired, you get fatigued, you get low energy. And the second wind means you just got a boost of energy. A boost of your energy is starting to come back. You're tired, but you're starting to feel that bit of energy coming back to you. That's your second wind. You may hear this in racing. You may hear this in sports. And you may even hear this in education when someone says, well, I just got my second wind. Oh man, are you still studying? Yeah, I stopped for an hour, but I just got my second wind. Or in a race, he was tired on the fourth lap, but got a second win in the fifth lap. Or the person was going to quit for the day, but then they got their second wind. It just means they got a burst of energy to keep going on the task that they're doing. I got a second wind. I got a second wind to do it again. I got a second wind to go for that job. I just got my second wind in the race. I just got my second wind in working out. It just means you just got a boost of energy from before that you were tired. So what sentences can you come up with using the words and phrases that we came up with today? How can you get a second burst of energy or a second wind? And please put it in the comment section so you can practice and challenge your friends and family and see how many words and phrases they could come up with as well. So I got a second wind. I was feeling tired, but I just got a second wind. It's just another burst of energy. And if you want to improve your English speaking skills, please sign up for Nil English, where you can learn one-on-one with professors just like me. As well as you can find more information about me by searching on Amazon, as well as on all social media platforms. Thank you and have an awesome, fantastic day.